Hello, hi. Okay, today we will unboxing new Gundam from Gquuuuux series, Char Zaku GQ. So previous we have Poly Zaku, this one the blue one. Then we have normal Zaku, this one the green one. Then this Char Zaku, the red one. So this box art. This is the green one. The Asian pose. Then you can see here we got a bazooka, machine gun, and hawks. So the unit is same as others. Zaku, the blue and green one. Maybe they got like antenna here. This one also have. Then bazooka, the green one also have the bazooka, but the green one don't have the hawks, the X one, the X. The Zaku have the police have the X. So later after finish book we do the review lah. So this is the box. Inside here we have like 1, 2, 3 packs and manual like this. So we go the manual first. So you can see here all the runner. We will use all the parts. No X, no, only one. You have one X here. So this is how to assemble gunpowder. You need to see. So start with the head one. Head direct use the horn one, the antenna one is this one. We call the. So they got one part without this horn. So they just no hole here. So that one, if you want to use, then no problem. So these are the body parts. I think it's same as other Zaku. Here this is the right arm, left arm, same as a green one. Then waist, legs, right leg. We have a weapon here. This is a bazooka, machine gun here, and up here. So this is Zaku bazooka. It's same as the green one. Hawks, shield at the shoulder, Zaku machine gun, and spike at the shoulder. So any color, this is a color guide to if you want to paint. Okay, that's all for the manual. We go to the parts. I got a sticker. This one for Char Zaku sticker. Come on, focus. Char Zaku sticker. Then this runner E, thing for weapon. Then runner B is for inner frame and the arms, the inner frame, the hand. We got a whole hand here and the open hand here. Spec. So this runner H and runner G for the red part armor. I think this one for body, and this is for leg. So the color is like a pink. This is a D, mostly for armor, leg here and shoulder here, arm here. This is like a case for the leg. Last pack. On the F, this one on the F, body armor. So on the C for the leg parts. The leg parts. Then lastly, the on the A for the armor. You got shade here. This one, if you like no horn for the head parts, you can use this one. This one is optional lah. Okay, so that's all for unboxing Char Zaku for GQ series. We will do the speed build and review later. Okay, thanks all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, share. Thank you. Bye.